right, today I'm going to show you how to access a secret TV antenna signal menu on your Roku TV. When you tune to a live antenna TV channel on any Roku TV, you're really not given a lot of information about the signal. There's a small signal meter in the bottom left corner of the screen that looks like something you'd see on your cell phone, and it doesn't give you a lot of information about how good or bad your TV signal is. There's a secret menu you can access by pressing in a specific sequence of keys. So starting at the home menu, you're going to use your Roku remote and press the home button 4 times. Then you're going to press the up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, up arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And that brings up this secret tuner screen that gives you a lot more information about your TV antenna signal. Now at the top, it tells you the total number of channels. Unfortunately, I only have 3 in my area. I'm sure you get a lot more than that. It also gives you some information about the channel that you're currently tuned to. I'm on channel 2. Virtual channel 2.2 is what displays on the TV. It tells you the frequency of the RF channel you're on, 57 megahertz, low VHF channel 2, and it's CKPR. That's the local station that I'm tuned to right now. Next, you're given quite a bit of information about your TV antenna's signal. You're given a signal strength in percentage. You can also see that there is a graphic signal meter there with the green bar. And then you're given more technical information. You're given the dBm, which is the decibels per milliwatt. That's a measure of the broadcast signal's power. It's expressed in dBm, and it's a negative number, as you can see there. So the closer that number is to 0, the better the signal is. You're also given the MER, which is the modulated error ratio. This is a measure of the errors that are happening between the transmitted signal and the received signal at your TV's tuner. Generally, this number should be somewhere between 30 and 39 from what I've read. So 31.2 or so decibels is probably pretty good for a broadcast TV signal. Another piece of information you're given is the RSSI, which is the received signal strength indicator. And again, this is expressed as a negative number. The higher this number is, the better. So you're given a lot more information in this screen about your TV antenna signal than you are from the regular live TV guide, which is basically just a little set of bars like you'd see on a cell phone. You're also given information about your signal type. So it's an ATSC signal. You're given some date and time information. You're also given the EPG info about the program that's currently on, the rating, the resolution, all of that stuff that you see on the regular live TV guide. Now we can skip along here and go to the next channel. This is channel 4. Virtual channel 4.4, 69 megahertz CHFD, and again, there is all of the signal strength information for the antenna. And again, you can see the EPG information down below. And moving on to the next channel, this is channel 9 TVO. The signal strength you can see is better on this channel. You got a higher percentage, higher dBm. But unfortunately, they don't include any electronic program guide information anymore with their channel. And you can just use the previous channel to skip back if you want. Now, here's another interesting little feature here. If we go to Begin Tuner Scan, you have a couple of options here. You can scan for cable channels, QAM or cable TV analog. These would be channels that would not require a digital cable box of some kind. This would be stuff that comes right through your coax cable to be decoded by the TV's tuner. We're not going to do that today. We can scan the air channels, and this will scan ATSC digital as well as NTSC analog channels, although there's no more of those unless you add in your own analog TV channel. I've made videos on that subject beforehand. I'll leave a link to one of those videos in the description for you. So let's go ahead and run a scan here. And you can see the scan starts, and it scans all 69 channels. Those would be your virtual channels though, because remember, RF broadcast channels only go up to 36 now, but the TV is able to display up to channel 69 on virtual channels. And since I only have 3 channels, that's all we're going to see here. Not a very exciting channel scan, but it is what it is. I'm sure you'll get a lot more channels in your area. So this scan is just finishing up now here, and then it will return to the channel that it was previously on. We can go back here and go back to channel 2 here. So yes, this is the secret TV antenna tuner screen built into Roku TVs. Philips, RCA, TCL, on Hisense, any TV that uses the Roku operating system or platform, you should be able to access this secret tuner screen. Once again, from the home screen, it is home button 4 times, and then using the arrow keys up, right, down, up, left, right. That's the sequence. Hopefully you find this useful.